Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm going to go see a friend of mine. I've known him for years, and we're going to go pick up 2 mini bikes for him and his dad for a surprise. Right now his parents are gone camping. We're going to see them later this weekend, but while they're gone, we're going to pick them up and surprise them. See you soon. Yo, what the We're trying a little vlog type thing, see what happens, see how it turns out.
Have you ever seen that cat before?
I don't know, what's his name?
What's his name?
I feel like I have.
So apparently all of our straps are like...
Put her there, boy.
Long time no see.
Yeah.
It's been a minute.
Alright, ladies and gents, we got the mini bikes. We ended up paying $225 for them. And they're little, you need a little bit of work, but I think you'll be able to fix them up a little bit. Same 5 horsepower Tecumseh motors. Frames look pretty similar. I mean, frames look like they're in decent condition. I mean, they're gonna need some paint and stuff, but I think they'll work out good for him. So, you got anything to? Okay. You got anything to say? Just filling up the gas right now because, yeah, she burns. What?
Fill the bike up quick, we'll whip it around.
Do some dank wheelies.
Yeah. Put a wheelie bar in the back.
Are you excited? So what'd you buy these for exactly? You don't know?
Well, my dad used to rip them around as a kid, so...
So it's a project for you and him?
Hopefully.
Hopefully?
That's
Alright.
the plan. I like the black one better, so I'm thinking... I think like the purple one, I think that's the style that we used to have.
Okay.
If I remember correctly, you never...
Got some bright colors back in the day?
You didn't have a purple one, probably.
Pink.
I don't know, you didn't have any pictures, but I'm pretty sure like that style is... It's gonna be hard for me to drive those things with my legs.
Well, yeah, you're fucking tall.
Like those handlebars are so far back, and the pedals are like behind the engine, so you're gonna be sitting on that thing. It's gonna be kind of weird.
Well, we're gonna head on back home and see if we can get one started maybe tonight yet and go from there. So, let's see what we can do.
Make sure you actually speed the video up because I don't want to hear myself saying that.
Oh, this isn't a time lapse anymore.
Yeah, just... Oh, there's a mode on there that does that?
I just do it in editing.
Oh. Yeah, you have to time lapse out.
What do you think, Sadie? What do you
We
think?
could put a little seat here for Sadie. Come here, come here, come here. So you want to get pet, but you don't let me touch you. You could put a little seat for her.
No
right
pet,
there?
only take.
Boy, look at that.
She already knows where to put her paws. Oh, never mind. Are you okay?
Hopefully it goes better than the time I took her for riding the Friday. Falls off, just run her over with the back tire.
What?
I didn't tell you that?
No.
I was coming up the driveway and like was gonna stop and check the mail or something quick, and then I was like, oh no. She like tried hopping off right underneath the back tire, just rolled right over. She didn't even yelp or anything. She just got back on.
I mean, remember that time when...
Fine. I'm like, that's a 4-wheeler. Like that's quite a bit of weight going over the 10
Well, you remember when
dog.
Jacob's parents ran over their dog with a car, right? Buddy?
No.
Yeah.
Killed it?
Buddy's still alive and kicking. Still annoying, but
Really?
yeah. All right, guys. We are back with Tanner and his mini bike project. And so he just recently bought a motor from a friend of mine from college. And it is a 30 horsepower.
No, this one's only 5.
This one's only 5 horse. Well,
Yeah,
it's built
5 horse block, but yeah.
5 horse block that's built to like 20 to 30 horse. I ripped it once before when I was in his old frame, and she definitely wheelies pretty good. Some other goodies he got with it was the torque converter, so the primary, secondary clutch, and a mounting bracket. This was his old mounting bracket for the secondary clutch. He bought this one, but he never got around to using it, so we're gonna slap that bad boy on, hopefully. And we were looking at this frame here after mounting the motor up. Just setting it there.
You can show them where you want me to lift it up.
Yeah. Well,
How we had it before, maybe?
we saw these holes, and we know we're gonna have to move them over because once we put this in, if you line these holes up with the way they mounted the motor, it sits really far over.
Yeah.
And
It's nicer for starting it, but
yeah, it's nice for starting it up, but if you look down the center of the bike, all the weight's on one side.
plus by the time if you had this air filter on, it's gonna be sticking way out and how you sit on it. You know, like it's gonna be just really, really close. Like your leg would literally be rubbing right against this. So
And he did run it this way on his frame, but we think his frame's a little bit different. So we're hopefully going to be sliding it over a good fair bit, so it's more centered in the frame.
right there-ish.
And then that allows us to run our secondary, or our primary clutch to secondary clutch, just like this.
This is still nice for starting.
Oh yeah.
Plus, like I said, the spark plug's gonna be super easy to get to now.
Before the plug was actually underneath this bar here, and I don't think it would ground out, but there's always a chance of it.
Yeah.
And it's just
It's just harder to change.
that, and this is gonna move around a whole bunch, and you're gonna get some wear on it. So better be safe than sorry. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the primary and secondary clutch on. So that's gonna mount right about there.
Roughly.
So it is gonna be down at a little bit down angle. So that should just go up a little bit.
Yeah.
And once we slide this one on, just move your fingers.
Oh yeah.
That'll go on there like so. Here, I'm just gonna put this down. All right, so that's just a rough idea of what it's gonna look like. This can't go up any further because it's gonna start hitting the gas tank. And so what we plan on doing is,
Show them the sprocket too, where we.
yeah. So if we slide this off a little bit, the sprocket that came with the motor and stuff, we're just gonna slide it right in there, and we'll have the appropriate spacing for the chain so we don't get a whole bunch of wear on both the parts. Hopefully it'll fit. It looks like it will with all the mock-ups that we've done. And so just by using a tape measure, we figured out that where that sprocket is, we can,
Got it.
it'll end up running like right about to that back frame piece. So it'll sit, our rear sprocket will sit right in this area. So roughly the chain will come out about 9.5 inches. So that's where our sprocket should sit roughly. We'd have to watch out for frame clearances and stuff, but we're hoping that's where it'll sit. And then in between, we'll put new bearings here and there on the frame to mount the rear axle, get a keyed rear axle so we can mount a rear brake caliper and a rotor, so we actually have good stopping power.
Yeah.
Because the other frame that he bought has just a little metal plate that you shove into the back tire to slow you down for friction, which
won't do anything.
no, he said this thing will do probably what,
40.
40.
So you're gonna want more than just a metal plate because you're not gonna be stopping very fast.
I don't think I want to go into a ditch or into another vehicle or something.
No.
Into a building.
No more ditches. Not for me. I'm done. I'm done with ditches.
You knew what happened last time with you in a ditch.
Yeah. You have to add that into some kind of video.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it in after
Even though it's
this.
only 3 seconds.
So once we find all the parts and stuff for it, we will start mocking stuff up. I took dimensions or measurements for a wheelie bar coming off the back here because, like I said, the last guy who had it, he drag raced the motor and frame and stuff, and he said it'll pop wheelies. I believe him. I never did, but
Oh yeah, when he sent you the videos,
Yeah.
he's doing 20-foot wheelies.
yeah.
But the
It's-
only thing is we're gonna have to get the frame straightened probably.
Yes, that's the other thing.
Wheelie bars.
You can see a slight
'Cause
bend here.
I don't know what exactly happened, but I mean you can tell from that back. I mean that's super obvious. Which I didn't even catch it at all.
She's a
My
little
dad literally
kinked.
came out here, looked at it, and he was like, "You know it's bent." And I was like, "Nope."
We
But
al-
it was dark when we went to look at it.
Yeah,
so,
we
I mean,
also
like,
bought this at like 9:30 at night. So, was it smart? Probably not, but I think we can make it work.
it'll work for what I don't need it to be like
Perfect.
perfect condition. All I really want it for is just driving around the house, you know. I'm not gonna really drag race it.
Maybe against your dad when he finishes his up, but
Yeah.
that's about it.
Yeah, we'll have to show him the other one sometime, but there's really nothing to show about it.
So yeah, this video is coming like about a month after we bought the frame, so
And we got the old motors. You showed him the video though, right? Or did you have that in the old video?
well, this is gonna be
That
one
we
whole
busted-
video.
that We busted the. Was it this one?
No, it was this one down here.
Yeah, we broke that one.
So the way the guy started this motor always was he just took an impact on that nut and spun it over. And we had him try start it up when we bought it, and it cranked, it seemed, and everything. And we're like, all right, we can believe him. If we can, we'll build one good motor out of it, and so on and so forth. When we came back here, we're like, you know what? Let's see if we can get like a running motor or a running bike or something, just to see if we can fuck around with it, right?
Yeah, because it was on the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was on the purple one.
Yeah, it was all mounted up and stuff. So, well, we tried starting it up with impact, and we're pretty sure that that nut's stripped, and it's just fucked. We tried loosening it up. This is loose now. This will not come off any further. This is loose. This will not come off any further than that, and it's just.
So I mean, parts wise, I mean, maybe there's something salvageable. Otherwise, this thing, I'm not sure what. Hopefully, we can maybe get like one of them running or something, like mix parts up and stuff, and then either keep it for a spare or sell it, get some money back.
Sell them both
Use
on
it to
Facebook for
invest.
$20.
Use it to put more money into that thing when you want to go faster. You want aftermarket stuff. Then that way we can just have some money back.
So yeah, that's where we're at right now.
Don't have the most space, or not that much space. But,
No,
I mean, that's
don't
all-
have the time.
Yeah, once I move back home, I'll have more time to actually work on it. Now it's kind of just hour here, hour there, but at least we got, everything set up like how we wanted to,
Yeah.
or how we, the gist of it.
I'm hoping before I go back to college, the 31st, we can at least get another video or something out. Some
Yeah,
progress.
it's got to be running by then. Probably not, but
We're also gonna wait to sandblast and paint the frame until we get all the modifications done. Because like, why would you want to paint it or sand it down, let it rust?
yeah.
Not sand, but sandblast it down and let it rust again, and have to do it again when you paint it.
Like
So
I said earlier, mock everything up, get the holes marked for where we want to drill the holes through that motor bracket or whatever you want to call it, and then have the whole reaxle done, mounted that all up, know exactly where it's going to go, and then we can take it apart. Because then it'll be easy.
yeah,
Once we sandblast it and paint it, and then we can just throw everything on.
which your uncle has a sandblaster we can use and learn how to do that and stuff. And painting it, I'd plastic dip your rims how many times? I think we're qualified enough.
Yeah, buy like some $20 spray gun at Harbor Freight. Or rattle can it.
Yeah, we'll see what happens, but
Not that bad. It should be nice. And then I don't know. We got to get the throttle cable figured out too. That's one thing we didn't do, but that shouldn't be too hard.
nah. This will be easy.
Got to get some grips on it.
Yeah, we'd start her up for you guys, but it's a little loud, and it's what,
It's like
11 o'clock at night.
Yeah, everyone's in bed.
I should be for work tomorrow, but
Yeah.
who cares?
I started it up earlier. Thing's loud as hell. Super loud. But yeah, coming along.
We might swap out this wheel. We'll see if we can use it yet. I'm sure we could.
Yeah, I noticed it was flat when I went back to get it, which I thought that this one had more air in it when we first got it.
Did we ever pump it up?
No.
We should pump it up and see if it holds air.
Yeah, but I don't know. If anything, I can just take it to work, and then they can probably just reseal it and get it resealed. Because I'm sure that's all it is. Plus, this tire, I'm sure, is kind of old. I mean,
It might be dry.
It's been on there, so it's probably, yeah.
It might be dry rotted or something. I don't know.
Doesn't look that bad from the outside.
No, not at all.
And obviously, the tread life is, I mean, it's got perfect.
It's still got some life to her.
Knobs on it, yeah. I don't know what kind of rear tire I want, though. Probably put something like that on there so I can actually drive it through the grass and stuff.
Yeah.
And like, you know,
We gotta see what clearances we get with a brake rotor and a brake caliper.
that'll kind of determine how big of a tire we can get.
Yep. So yeah, we're gonna leave it off there, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.